Red velvet cake is my absolute favorite cake. So I'm going to get started on my dry mixture. I have 2 3/4 cup cake flour. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Red velvet cake is essentially a chocolate cake with a little bit of red food coloring. I'm gonna put this to the side, get started on my wet, 1 stick softened, unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm gonna cream this. Creaming means just beating it until it becomes fluffy. I want the butter and the vegetable oil and the sugar to almost look pale, okay? I'm gonna add in 1 egg at a time, 3 eggs in total. All right, the last egg. All right, now for the liquid. I have 1 cup of room temp buttermilk. To this, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of red food coloring, and last but not least, 2 teaspoons of white distilled vinegar. And the vinegar helps the cake retain its red color. All right, just making sure it's thoroughly mixed. All right, now I'm gonna add my flour and my liquid, alternating between the two. I'm starting with the flour. Add in a little bit of that liquid. Scrape down the sides. There's that color. Chocolatey, velvety, red cake. The last bit of my dry. And add in the rest of my liquid. All right, that's done. All right, I have a 9 by 13 tray here that I have sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Just gonna add the batter directly to the tray. Isn't it pretty? That deep red color. Then once it bakes, it's gonna get really bright red. All right, so I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm gonna bake this off for about 30 minutes or until I insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. You can't make a red velvet cake without cream cheese frosting. Super simple recipe. I'm gonna cream 1 stick of unsalted butter with a 1/4 teaspoon salt. 8 ounces softened cream cheese. Cream this all together until it becomes super fluffy. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar at a time. A little bit more. I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, let it set up. I gotta grab my cake out of the oven and let that cool on the counter. I love icing. I think I like icing more than the cake. Look how pretty that is. And for a little something to just bring it all together, crushed pecans.